Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at giving meaningful feedback using Google Classroom. In an ideal world, as teachers, we want our feedback to be specific so that learners know exactly how they can improve. We want to give this feedback as soon as possible. We want it to connect to a specific goal, to our assessment criteria, so that learners know where they are in relation to that goal. And we also want to involve our learners so that they engage with that feedback. So today I'm going to show you how Classroom helps us to find and construct this ideal feedback. So I'm in my Classroom on my class work page, and I've already created an assignment that my learners have done and that I'm now going to give feedback on. So I click over here on View Assignment, and it opens up all the different learners' assignments, and I click on the specific learner that I want to start with to give feedback. Then it opens it in a whole new window for me. So on this page, there are a variety of things I can do. I can actually toggle between all my learners over here using that shark tooth. On the right-hand side here, I can see all the different attachments that this learner has attached. I can enter a mark here and look at the rubric, which we'll look at in a bit. And here at the bottom, I can add private comments. Now, these comments only the learner and I can see, and it also gives them the option to write back and ask further questions. I've had quite a few learners use this and ask questions about their work or engage in a conversation about the feedback. So that's fantastic. Then as soon as the document opens, it actually opens in suggesting mode. So any change that I make in the document comes up as a suggestion for the learners. So let's say I want to delete that word. It pops up as a suggestion for the learner. But now often we don't want to fix the errors for them. So we just want to put in a little comment so that they actually learn how to fix the error. So Google has a comment bank on the right-hand side where you can add comments to this bank that you often use, and they stay there for every assignment that you create for your learners. So it's very easy to add to this comment bank. We click over there. I think of something that is general, mistake my learners often make. So let's go with a Concord error. Your verb doesn't agree with your subject. So I have the ability to give them more feedback, but it actually takes me less time when these have been added to the comment bank. So when I want to insert a comment from the comment bank, it's as easy as highlighting the bit where I want to insert it. So there we see a comma splice error. I add a comment. I start typing something that's in that comment, and you'll see it pops it up for me. I click on it. I click comment, and it's in. So this is a great way to give them more detailed feedback, but it doesn't take me more time. Then if we go back here to the rubric, it's also a way of giving feedback. So I added my rubric when I created the assignment, and I can now click on a specific level that the learner has achieved. It gives them nice feedback on that specific level for each of the different categories. So here's the language. And then you'll see that as soon as I click on the level, it inserts the mark over there and it tallies the marks at the top as well. And then when I'm done, I click return and the learner gets a notification that feedback has been given on their work, and they seem to actually go back and look at that feedback and fix it. Isn't that amazing?